Hello everyone, today I will show you how to import presets into DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. Once you open DaVinci Resolve, head over to the Fusion tab and open the Effects library in the top left. This will display a library containing all the tools, effects, templates, and even LUTs. Now if you go to Templates and look under Edit, you'll see categories like Generators, Titles, Effects, and Transitions. If you have downloaded some titles that you want to install, go to Titles. Click the three-dot drop-down menu and select Show Folder. No matter what operating system you are using, this will bring up the appropriate folder where you can copy over the presets you downloaded. The same process applies to generators, effects, and transitions. Just go to their respective menus, click Show Folder, and the correct folder will open, even for LUTs. If you go to the LUT section, click the drop-down menu and select Show Folder. You can easily install LUTs that you have downloaded online. And that is everything you need to know about how to import presets into DaVinci Resolve. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.